In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create new tab group in Safari web browser. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. First off, guys, open up Safari web browser, and then if we tap right here at that tabs icon, it will show us all tabs that are currently opened. And down below here it says that I got 5 tabs opened now. And if we tap right here at that button, we'll be able to create new empty tab group, or we'll be able to create new tab group with all of these 5 tabs. I'm gonna choose the second one. On the next step, we need to enter tab group name. I'm just gonna enter test, and then to save the changes we need to tap at save. As you can see, now new tab group is created, so in any time now we can tap at that tab group to get into it. So that's how you can easily create tab group on Safari web browser. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.